Hi creative, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are welcomed. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to make a reversible handkerchief peplum belt. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching. This video is for you. For the peplum belt, we need 2 yards of fabric. That's if you're using just one print. But if you're making it reversible, that's 2 different prints, you need 1 yard each. I hope you understand me. You need 2 yards for this project. If you want to make it reversible, like 2 different prints, you need 1 yard each. If it's just one print, you need 2 yards of the print. So the measurement I need for this is 12 inches. I've measured my 12 inches. I'm going to fold it into 2 again. See the way I folded it into 2, this way. I'll measure 12 inches on the 2 sides, just like making a square. So that's 12 inches on the 4 sides. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I'll cut it out. I'll use this to cut the second fabric. I've placed it on the second print. I'll cut it out. My waist is 28. 28 divided by 6.28 is 4.45. I'm not going to use the 0.45. I'm just going to use only 4 inches, right? Whatever your waist measurement is, divide it by 6.28. I hope you understand me. Mine is 28. I divided 28 by 6.28 and I had 4.45, but I rounded it off to 4 inches. I'm just going to cut it out. Then I'll cut open one end. I've done same for the other print. I'll open up the flay. I'll place the other print on top of it, right side facing each other. I'll stitch the 4 sides together and I'll come back to show you. I've gone ahead to stitch the 4 sides. Now I'll take one of the corners. See the way I'm cutting it? I'll cut it out like a triangle so that when I open it up, that place, the fabrics at that end, you know, is a corner. The place will be a bit relaxed. So I've turned the flare inside out. I'm using my scissors to push out the corners so that it relaxes. After that, I'll measure my waist and I'll use the measurement to cut the band for this peplum. So whatever your waist measurement is, you multiply it by 2. I've cut my band for the 2 fabrics 2.5 by 45 inches. My fabric is not much, so I had to make use of what I had. But if you want to make this, you multiply your waist times 2 for the length of your band. I folded the flare into 2, then I'll get the measurement of the half circle. Whatsoever the measurement is, I'll fold the band into 2, like you see me doing. From the center, I'll measure whatsoever I got from the circle, the half circle I measured. Where I measured, I'm not going to sew that place from the inside. I'm only going to sew from that place I measured to the end of the belt. I've gone ahead to turn the belt inside out and also giving it a good press. Have ironed it. The sewing allowance for the down part, I also went ahead to iron it. Iron the 1/2 inch. This is the place where I'm going to attach the peplum to. So you do the same for yours to have a neat finishing, right? So you're just going to iron the 1/2 inch inside. I've also gone ahead to iron my handkerchief flare. Can you see? Can you see it's looking neat? It's always good to press while you sew. It helps your fabric to lay flat and gives it that very neat look. Now I'll put this peplum inside here. Can you see? I'll just put it inside from this end. Remember, we stitched this side inside. That's from the back side. Now we are attaching it from the front side. I'll pin. This our center. I'm just going to put it inside. And pin. So this is what I'll do. I'll do this to this other end. I'll put it inside. You just take your time to do this. It's not difficult. I'll do the rest off camera and show you what it looks like. I've attached the peplum to the band. Can you see? I stitched it very close to the end of the band. Can you see that it's looking neat? This is one print. This is one print. And this is another print. Can you see? Alright, that would be all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video. Also, if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. See you in my next one. Bye for now.